Is your PS3 turning on and then shutting off immediately? Don't worry, this is a common issue and you can fix it. Welcome back to TechVibes. Let's fix your PS3 fast and get you back to gaming. This problem usually happens because of overheating, power supply issues, dust buildup, or internal hardware faults. Sometimes it looks serious, but in many cases, a few quick fixes can solve it. Step 1. Perform a power reset. Unplug your PS3 completely from the power source. Wait for at least 5 minutes. Now press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to drain leftover power. Plug it back in and turn it on again. This resets internal power errors and often fixes sudden shutdowns. Step 2. Check power cable and outlet. Make sure your power cable is not loose or damaged. Try using a different power cable if possible. Also, plug your PS3 directly into a wall outlet instead of a power strip. Unstable power can cause the console to shut off instantly. Step 3. Clean dust and improve airflow. Dust buildup is a major reason for overheating. Use compressed air to clean the vents carefully. Make sure your PS3 is placed in an open area with proper airflow. Avoid placing it inside closed cabinets. Overheating can trigger automatic shutdown to protect the system. Step 4. Enter safe mode and rebuild system. Turn off your PS3 completely. Press and hold the power button until it turns off again. Then press and hold it again until you hear 2 quick beeps. Connect your controller and choose the rebuild database option. This fixes system errors that can cause shutdown issues. Step 5. Check for overheating signs. If your PS3 shuts off with a blinking red light, it means overheating. Let it cool down for at least 30 minutes before turning it on again. If this keeps happening, internal thermal paste may need replacement. Step 6. Test hard drive issue. A faulty hard drive can cause instant shutdown. Remove the hard drive and try turning on the console. If it stays on, the hard drive may be the problem. You can replace it with a new compatible drive. Step 7. Power supply unit check. If none of the fixes work, the internal power supply might be failing. This requires repair or replacement. If you are not comfortable opening the console, consider professional repair. Pro tip: always keep your PS3 clean and well ventilated. Regular dust cleaning can prevent most shutdown problems before they even start. If you are still facing this issue, drop a comment below and I will reply within 1 hour to help you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more quick fixes. Stay smart, stay gaming, see you in the next one.